Namaskar, Orpita once again from Orpita's Viewer Gallery. Today I'll show you all ajrak. Ajrak, তাসার ajrak বেশি নেই, যেটুকু আছে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি কারণ প্রোডাকশন আমার কাছে এই মুহূর্তে নেই। যা আছে আমি সব কিছু দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। কিছু তাসার দেখাবো, কিছু মডেল দেখাবো, কিছু মাহেশ্বরী দেখাবো, কিছু কটনস দেখাবো। ওকে, কথা না বাড়িয়ে চলে যাচ্ছি শাড়িতে। শাড়ি নাম্বার 1। This saree is tasar. দেখুন টাসার, দিস ইজ কোরিয়ান টাসার। একটা গাছি, দিস ইজ নট গাছি তাসর। one thread is গাছি and other thread is Korean. So this is a tasar with gachi and Korean mixed, okay? But both are pure tasar, okay? Korean is a tasar from Korea and the gachi is from West Bengal. This is saree number 1 and it is priced 7950. This is also pure tasar but not gachi by gachi. This is gachi by Korean tasar, okay? That is the reason the price is 7950. Pure hand ajrak. The color is very nice, very English tone, khub shundur shari. In Korean by gachi I have only single piece, but might be a single piece, but it's very nice. Okay, bhishon shundor. First let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is 1 meter. Okay, length and breadth wise the tasar is very nice, but as because it is not gachi by gachi tasar, that's the reason it is priced 7950. This is the blouse piece, friends, and this is the rest half. Saree number 1 and it is priced 7950. Okay. Saree number 2. This is kosha tasar. Wonderful fabric, wonderful fabric. This is the palla part, slate with red and black. This is the palla part. First show the palla. Dekho palla ta khub bhalo kore dekhao. Look at the blocks. Friends, please follow the blocks. Some different blocks has been used in the palla. Not traditional block has been used. These blocks are something different, friends. আপনারা অনেক দেখেন, আপনারা দেখে নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পারছেন যে ব্লকটা something different. Okay, this ajrak is done in kosha tasar. Price is 8400. Price is 8400. Let me show you the blouse piece first. In ajrak it seems like this color seems like rust, but it is not rust. In ajrak print this is the red, original red. After procedures, 18 procedures, the color look like rust, but this is the red color. Okay, this is the rest half. Saree number 2 and it is priced 8400. It is priced 8400. Okay. Saree number 3, another kosha tasar. This is indigo. Ajrak with indigo color. Okay, ajrak indigo color, this seems like pastel, one sort of pastel blue, but this is pure indigo one. This is the palla part. Palla ta khub bhalo kore dekhao, the blocks used in the palla. Okay, this is the base. jara those people are fond of pastel colors, you can blindly buy these sarees and wear. This is a wonderful look. Bishon shundur, bishoni shundur. Provided those who are fond of pastel colors, because Ajrak gives a pastel look. This is the blouse piece of the saree. This is the breast half. Price saree number 3, and this is also priced 8400. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 4. Achol, palla part, dark chocolate color, brown, not chocolate, it's sorry, it's yeah, cocoa color. It seems, looks like brown, dark brown. You wear a tussar blouse, will look very nice according to my taste. If you wear a tussar blouse with this virgin color tussar blouse, you will look different. Okay, and this is the base. First let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is a solid color. You can either wear this blouse or you can wear a tussar blouse with this saree, will look different. This is the wrist half. Length and breadth wise, these are very nice fabric, very nice. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 5. This is a pure matka, zari border matka, pure silk. This is a pure silk. Matka is a pure silk, you all know friends, upon which ajrak has been done. Okay. I have a single piece. It's my experimental work. First piece. This is the palla part. Very nice fabric. Very nice. Price is 7800. Look at the length, where it is coming. It's a huge saree, length and breadth wise. Okay, look at the block. It's a matte shiny finish. You can see, I can see. I don't know whether it is visible in the camera or not, but it's a wonderful fabric. Though friends, those who are fond of matte finish sarees, you can buy these sarees, wear it. You will look very nice. I am very confident. This is the blouse piece. First let me show you the blouse piece. Pure matka. Okay, this is the wrist half. Price is 7800. Price is 7800. Okay. Now I will show you some models. Friends, this modal saree is pure hand woven modal silk. This is not power loom saree, because market e ei saree apnara prochur kom dame paben. I don't know what sarees are those, kintu my price is koto 5400. এর নিচে আমি modal silk দিতে পারবো না, but this is a very porous saree. In summer you will feel it will give you a comfort. In winter also it will give you comfort due to the porous. And this is the pure hand woven modal silk which I will show you today. Price is 5400. My humble request, আপনাদের যদি কোনো confusion হয় regarding price, regarding fabric, please do visit my shop. This is the palla part. Half and half ajrak printed modal silk. This one is pure hand woven modal silk. Okay. You can get these sarees in much lower price. I have seen, I know it's an open platform, but my price is 5400. Pure hand woven modal ajrak. ভীষণ ভালো, আমি পুজোর সময় দিয়েছি, যারা যারা নিয়েছেন all of them are happy. All of them are. This is the blouse piece. This is saree number 6. Price is 5400. Okay. This is the rest half. ভীষণ সুন্দর। This is sarees, you can use it roughly. It is rough use saree. So good, so good. Now I'm moving to saree number 7. The fabric is very good. Green, bottle green. Oh, wonderful. ভীষণ সুন্দর, খুব সুন্দর। This is the palla part. Look at the length of the saree. This is the base. Modal ajrak. Saree number 7, and it is priced 5400. This is the blouse piece of the saree. You can wear a solid black blouse, will look nice, and wear this blouse piece with some other sarees. Okay. This is the saree. That's tough. Price is 5400. Saree number 8, an indigo one. অনেকে মাল্টিপল পিসেস দিয়েছে from my shop. পুজোর সময় গিফটিং পারপাসের জন্য। ভেরি নাইস ফ্যাব্রিক। দিস ইজ দ্য পাল্লা পার্ট। ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ব্লকগুলো ভালো করে দেখাও। Look at the block with a skirt border, 20 inches skirt border on the lower part. Indigo red and black combination saree, modal ajrak printed saree. Price is 5400. 5400. তুই তো উঁচু করে ধরছিস কেন? This is the blouse piece against the base. This is the rest half, saree number 8, and it is priced 5400. Okay. Saree number 9. মডেলের স্টক ফ্রেশ এসেছে তো অনেকগুলো কালার দেখাতে পারলাম, বাট red modal ajrak. This is the palla part. হাতটা নিচু কর, বা হাতটা নিচু কর, তোর বা হাতটা নিচু কর, এই very small motifs with ajrak print. This is the blouse piece. Against the base. And this is the wrist half. You can wear a black solid blouse with this ajrak sari, ajrak model, and the blouse piece you can wear it in some other saris. Mix and match you can make it. Okay. Now moving to sari number 10. Another unusual color. This is the achol, palla part. Sari number 10. ভীষণ সুন্দর, এটা ডার্ক চকলেট ব্রাউনের সাথে গ্রিন এন্ড ব্লু দিয়ে unusual color combination. This is the blouse piece. First let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is the wrist half. Price is 5400. Sari number 11 with tussar border, Maheshwari ajrak. Sari number 11. It is priced 5950. This is the palla part. Palla portion. This is the whole body. This is the blouse piece against the base. Vishon Shundar, the blouse piece is very nice in this sari. Price 5950. Sari number 12. Zari border Maheshwari te ajrak. আপনারা এই ধরনের আজরাক দেখেননি with tassar color. ভীষণ সুন্দর, ভীষণ সুন্দর। Price is 3800. This is the palla part. With zari border Maheshwari sari. This is zari border Maheshwari sari. This is the blouse piece first. Look at the blouse piece. A solid color blouse piece. It's a wonderful piece. I'll show you two pieces. This is one design and another design I'll show you. Okay. This is the wrist half, sari number 13, and it is priced 3800. Now I am moving to sari number 13. This is a Bapta Ajrak. This is also the first experimental sari I have done. If you like this sari, next time I'll make more. The matka and this Bapta. This is my experimental one pieces I have done. This is the achol part, sari number 13, and it is priced 4950. Sorry, it's 4950. Zari border Bapta. This is the palla part. This is the base. Red in color. This is the original red in Bapta Ajrak. After the process, it looks rust in color. This is the blouse piece against the base. And this is the wrist half. Price is 4950. Okay. Bapta is a fabric with tussar and cotton. Okay. This is a pure fabric with the length is tussar and the filling is cotton. Okay. In this fabric, the ajrak has been done. Price is 4950. Sari number 14. Another Maheshwari ajrak. Price is 3800. This is the palla part. Very light weighted pure Maheshwari sari upon which ajrak has been done. Pure hand ajrak sari. Sari number 14 and it is priced 3800. This is the blouse piece of the sari. A very comfortable fabric, pure Maheshwari sari. The fabric is pure Maheshwari upon which ajrak has been done. Okay, price is 3800. This is the wrist half. Okay, sari number 15. Pure ajrak done in Chanderi. This is the palla part. Sari number 15. Ajrak done in Chanderi, pure Chanderi silk sari. Price is 2950. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This is the wrist half. Blouse piece ta alada bhaje chilo. This is the wrist half. Price is 2950. Sari number 16. Another ajrak in yellow. These are all my experimental work. This is the palla part. Then mind that this is not screen print. These are all pure hand ajrak printed sari in Chanderi. Let me show you the blouse piece. A very wonderful blouse piece has been given. The blouse piece is cotton one. Friends, the blouse piece is cotton. I forgot to tell you in sari number 15. ওটার ব্লাউজ পিসও কটনে, এটার ব্লাউজ পিসটা পিওর কটনে আছে. The base is chanderi and the blouse piece is cotton. Okay, price is 2950. Okay, and this is the rest half. Price is 2950. Sari number 17, cotton ajrak. এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা কোথায় গেল? কেন শাড়ি সাথে থাকবে? কই শাড়িগুলো সব আলাদা এসেছিল ব্লাউজ পিস. This is the palla part. This is the whole saree. Friends, if you are liking the saree, let me know. I'll give you the blouse piece. The blouse piece is separate one. This is the rest half. Price is 3200. Price is 3200. This is sari number 18. Another cotton ajrak sari. Palla part. This is the palla part. This is the base, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 18, price is 3200. Sari number 19. This is the palla part. This is the base. This is the blouse piece against the base. This is the rest half. Sari number 19, and it is priced 3200. ওই শাড়িটা দে, এটা ব্লাউজ পিস। তো কালো কালো ঢুকিয়ে রেখে দিয়েছিস। Friends, this is sari number 17, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Again, against the base, this is the blouse piece. This is sari number 17. Okay. Now moving to sari number 20. This is the palla part. This is the base. With this blouse piece against the base. This is the wrist half, saree number 20, and it is also priced 3200. This cotton is very high quality cotton, okay? Mind it friends, খুব ভালো quality cotton এটা. Price is 3200. Friends, today I have shown you 20 lovely pieces of ajrak in different pure fabric. If you are liking my sarees, please do send me the screenshot. My telephone number is 9748003083. When you are choosing my sarees, if you feel any problem, please do let me know. Definitely I'll help you. আজকের মতো নমস্কার.